Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to Bitget, step by step, 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will have you moving your USDT safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both crypto.com and Bitget. You'll need to verify your identities if you haven't already, as security is key in the crypto world. Once that's sorted, open the crypto.com app or website and log in to your account. Step 1. Head over to your wallet section. Look for your USDT balance. That's the digital dollar you're transferring. Now, find the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you have the correct Bitget wallet address. You can get this by logging into your Bitget account and navigating to the deposit section for USDT. Step 2. Copy the Bitget wallet address carefully. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so avoid any typos to prevent losing your funds. Back on crypto.com, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Select USDT as the currency, enter the amount you want to transfer, don't forget to leave some for network fees, and review all the details. Step 3. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to approve this via email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for added security. Once approved, the transfer will process on the blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Bitget and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams ready to help. There you have it. A simple, step-by-step process to transfer USDT in 2025. Always stay vigilant against scams and keep your private keys secure. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.